Hello everybody, I hope you're having an awesome day. Today we're staying at Disney's Boardwalk Resort. Today we'll be staying in a Disney Villas, 1-bedroom, standard view. It's a DVC stay, and we're gonna take a room tour, so let's go check it out. All right, we're here at our room at room 1117 on the first floor, so let's head inside. As we enter the room, you can see we have a mirror, hello. Over here is the closet, right behind the main door. See, extra pillows and blankets are in there. And then over on this side, we have a dustpan, a hand broom, and interesting, they have an entire vacuum in here. From the closet, we move into the main living area. You can see a nice table with some chairs, beautiful chandelier, more mirrors. And then we'll move into the kitchen area first. Nice large double sink, nice faucet set here, a hand sprayer, your garbage disposal button, an outlet for your coffee maker, another outlet. You got your Joffrey's coffee, your dark roast, and your decaf. And then you have another outlet and another outlet. Quite a few outlets here. And then up in the cupboard area, you have all your bowls and your strainers and your cheese grater. Of course, your welcome home amenity list. And from there, we have coffee cups, bowls, glassware, and you have some plastic cups too. Plates. Up here, we have a pot for the stove, full-size stove. As you can see, there's another pan inside the stove, and then pots and pans down there. And then up here, of course, the microwave. We don't want to skip that there. Nothing in here, just storage space. The fridge is a little smaller than a full-size fridge, but still decent-sized fridge. Then I almost forgot these cupboards here where your can openers and your tongs and silverware, and then your more paper towels, your coffee pot for your water there, full-size dishwasher, and more paper towels and your dish rack. From the kitchen, again, nice table seating area. Over here you have the pull-out couch. So right underneath there, instructions on how to pull that out into a bed. Just move that table out of the way. The table does have One Day Disney book on it, and then a small little drawer right there. Over here, another table with more storage area, your service phone, your lighting, and then outlets. From the couch and the table, we turn over, we have another chair in the corner. We have a dresser for your clothes and everything, the TV with today's information, a nice little seating area for anybody who wants to eat a little snack or something right there. Now we're gonna head over here to the laundry, and we open that up. We have a washer and dryer combo, and this is the provided soap. From the provided laundry location, we move into the bathroom, and you can see we have a nice sink with your facial soap and your body lotion, H2O products, another mirror. Move over here, extra toilet paper for your toilet down below, a full stand-up shower, lots of room in there, and of course, more H2O soaps. From the stand-up shower, we turn and head into the other bathroom, which has the tub. And the tub is jetted with more H2O products. And then over here, another facial soap and body lotion. Large vanity area. Down below, we have a waste basket. Over here, we have extra toilet paper. Up here is your hair dryer. And then another mirror. And an additional makeup mirror right there. And then we open this door. Goes into a closet. You can see your luggage rack there. Provided in-room safe. Your iron and ironing board, and a laundry basket. As we move from the closet, you can see the jetted tub here has an opening here, so you can actually see the main room and the TV from the tub. Over here is a seat with more storage. Another in-wall mirror here. And a dresser with your TV provided in the room, a light for your chair to sit at. There is an outlet available back there. Over here is the nightstand, which does have regular outlets and USB provided outlets. Some really cool art back here on the wall. And now let's check out the firmness. That is a pretty firm bed there. I would say it's more on the firm side. Another nightstand with additional storage and covered space, and also outlets with USB, lights provided on both sides, and the service phone. From the bed, we will now head outside to the balcony. Again, we are on the first floor, so we will have grass and everything right in front of us. Now over here to the left, that is the lobby, and then to the right over here is the parking, so it's a very convenient location. Does come with 2 chairs and a table on this one, and then for the living room, also 2 chairs and a table, doors adjoining. You can see we can enter right back into the room right here. So that's pretty much it for our room tour for our 1-bedroom villa standard view DVC stay. As you can see, it's a very nice, small, compact 1-bedroom. And I'm excited to stay here tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's room tour. If I missed anything, please let me know down in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them best as possible. Otherwise than that, if you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. Lets me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we'll be doing more of these very soon. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.